guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I am in a 2016 Subaru Legacy, all-wheel drive, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. It has the eyesight. This is a limited. It is completely loaded with a good stereo and everything else you can imagine that a car needs. And like I did in the Tacoma and the Tundra, I installed a dash mat to keep the dash from, even though the dashes these days are kind of a matte black, they still produce a glare. So I went ahead and installed a dash mat in the Legacy, the Subaru Legacy, which is of the same year model Outback. It's the same dash. And I got this one through Covercraft. And so, I just wanted to show you how I installed it in case you get one for yourself. So let's go do that. So in the box, you will get the dash mat rolled up the proper way, and you will get the directions rolled up. Also, you will get 3 long Velcro adhesive strips, and they will be stuck underneath the dash mat. So you'll need to remove those because those will need to be cut up into several small pieces, about 1 inch, 1.25 inches, that you will stick under the edge of the dash mat all the way around the dash. Just as the dash mat sits on there, you will place these self-adhesive Velcro pieces on the dash, directly on the dash, under the dash mat. And they hold the dash mat down. Because of what the dash mat is made of, it sticks to Velcro. So after you get all those little pieces down, I'm working on the passenger side right now. And let me apologize right now because I filmed this in time-lapse, and there's no way to recover that data. I don't know. It's just life as a YouTuber. I screwed up. So I'm having to narrate this because it's in fast forward. So anyways, the most important place, I think, for some of these Velcro self-adhesive pieces is up by the defrost vent at the base of the windshield, because it kind of looks wrinkly there. But anyhow, that's what you do. It's real easy. It takes about, less than 15 minutes to do it. And those self-adhesive Velcro pieces do come off the dash. I removed them from my Tacoma before I traded it in. And, I've installed these on, this is the 3rd vehicle now. I've put a dash mat on to keep the glare away. So, there you have it. Okay, here's the dash mat all installed. You can see that. It installs really easy. It has places for your vents, especially up front where the defroster is. It has little Velcro stickers. I don't know if you can see that right here. It comes with three or four strips. They will be stuck to the back of the dash mat that it's going to be rolled up in a box. These little pieces of Velcro you have to cut. So I just cut them pretty small, a little bigger than 1 inch, so I have enough little pieces. And then the mat sticks to those really well. You'll have to use probably the most of it, maybe in front of the windshield up there by the defroster vent. Otherwise, I just spaced them out enough to keep it all tight. And that was it. I had footage of the complete installation, but for some reason I filmed it in time-lapse. This is just part of being a YouTuber. But anyways, I wanted to come out and I wanted to make sure I showed you what I did to install it. Again, you just cut these little Velcro pieces it comes with. It comes with a few strips. You cut it into small sections and use that, and it holds it down. I had no problem on my Tacoma or my Tundra with it coming off or sliding forward or anything crazy like that. These are great. I can't wait. I'm going to get some patches to go on here, of some places we go. And, it doesn't obstruct your airbags in any way. But, it's a really good fit. Covercraft does a nice job. They're a really good company. I've had a lot of quality products from them in the past with car covers and stuff. So there you go, pretty easy, real easy install. Takes like 5 minutes to cut up those strips and stick them down. I hope you like this. I hope it helps you out if you decide to go the route of a dash mat. It really knocks the glare down. That's why I got it. Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of me showing you how to install a dash mat in your Subaru Legacy, or any other vehicle for that matter. I've done them in the Tundra and in my Tacoma before that. They go on really easy. They really help cut down on the glare off your dashboard. And so, you know, I like it if you're going, you know, it's always sunny and you're going on long trips, and the vehicles like the Subaru and the Tundra and the Tacoma have such large windshields that you get a lot of sun and glare. I know they're doing different types of tint on front windshields. It's not exactly legal in every state. I don't know what the laws are here, but I'm not opting for that, and it probably costs a heck of a lot more than this dash mat. So anyways, check it out. These are very handy, and if you like to have patches for you know, from state parks you went to or anything like that, you can the patches with Velcro on the back stick right to them, stick right to these dash mats, and it's really cool. So you know, that's just something to think about. And you know, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will put some links to where I got this dash mat under the video in the description. You know, and if you would, please subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up button, and because I will have more videos on the Subaru and the Tundra, of course, coming your way. So thanks again, and I will see you next time. See ya.